Want to redirect visitors to specific pages based on their country? Use the IP2Location Country Redirector app on Wix. Here's how to install and use it. First, open your Wix dashboard and go to the App Market. Search for IP2Location Country Redirector and select it. Click Add to Site to install the app on your Wix website. Click Agree and Add to continue. Let's click Add Rule to create a redirect rule. Select the visitor's country that you want to target. You can edit the origin path or leave it empty to match all pages. Next, enter the destination URL where you want to redirect your visitors. Then, choose your redirection type. If you choose Redirect, visitors from the targeted country will be redirected immediately. If you choose Show Dialog, visitors will see a dialog box before being redirected. Click on Add Rule. You can also customize the dialog message under the Dialog Template section. Here, you can edit the title, message, and button label. If you want to whitelist certain IP addresses, you can enter them here. You can also skip bots and crawlers from redirection by enabling this option. Once you're done, save your settings. Now, let's test the redirection rule. Go to your website. Visitors from Malaysia will see a dialog box. They can click Stay here to remain on the same page or Continue to be redirected to google.com. Let's click Continue. The visitor is now redirected to google.com. That's it. Ready to set up country-based redirections on your Wix website? Try IP2Location Country Redirector free for 7 days.